Hi, Malay here. Today we will learn how to use in-app notification for your likes, comments, and everyone tags. It's a wonderful features GoHighlevel introduced. Through these features, you can engage more and more audience through your comment. For that, we have to come under sub account. Under sub account, there is membership tab. In memberships, there is three segments, that is course, communities, and certificates. We'll go to the community sections and group sections where we can create our new groups. As I have already created my groups, so I have to log in through this field. Then automatically our group section will be open. Under these group sections, there is discussion, learning, and people. If we go to the discussion sections, then we can comment here in our discussions, and whatever task we will provide to our audience or my clients or my subordinates, we can put here. Submit your project. If I want to give this message to everyone, then I can give everyone sections, or any particular persons, then I can tag particular people, particular persons, like that, Malay like that, or everyone, or everyone. If I put everyone tag, that will notify all in this channel. Then I have to go to publish. If anyone comment or like in my post, then automatically notification will come in these sections. As there is no one in my group, only me, and that's why may not come here notification, but this is the process. If I go for like to anyone, any of notifications, any comment, then we can go for that here. From here, if I go for the comment, then we can put our comment in this section. After in a people sections, then we will find there is the segments, the active, requested, and invited. How many persons, how many people are active, we can filtering from this section. There is no other members other than me, that's why it is showing only one. If requested, then there is no requested section, and if I go for the invited, we can go invited. Here we can put the name and invite. Invitation sent successfully, and when we'll go to the people sections where we will get the invited, there is a invited sections only once. That's how we can use these great features in GoHighlevel. Thank you.